all, this is Khushi Vishwakarma here, a student of MS Garware College of Commerce. Today I introduce you to Srimati Priyanka Jain ma'am, who is a faculty member of BBSE department. Ma'am has graduated in BCA and post-graduated in MCA with specialization in C, C++, operating system and computer networking. Ma'am has 15 plus years of teaching experience. Beyond technical knowledge, ma'am is a fantastic teacher. While teaching, she creates such a beautiful environment where students feel free and comfortable asking questions and sharing their own opinions. So we welcome you, ma'am, to the session. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kushi, for my wonderful introduction.
Ma'am, can you please tell me what is BBC and its eligibility criteria for taking admission?
Yes, Kushi. Actually, BBACA is a Bachelor's of Business Administration Computer Application. So this course is very, we can say this is a good platform or best platform for the students. Those are from the commerce background. Actually, any background students can take the admission in BBACA. Either he is from or she is from commerce, management, art, science. But this course, in other courses, the students have some criteria that they can take admission only if they have the maths in class 12th. But in BBACA, any stream student can take the admission. So this is very good platform if students wants to take or create their future in IT. If we talk about the eligibility of the student for taking the admission in BBACA, he has to clear with 45% in class 12 and he has to clear the CT examination.
Ma'am, can you please tell me the difference between BBCA and BCA?
Yes, actually this is very common question which every student should know. What is the difference between BBACA and BCA? Actually, BCA comes under science and BBACA comes under commerce faculty. So, the students who are taking the admission in BCA, they should have the maths in class 12. This is the compulsory criteria for them. And for BBACA, there is no criteria such. And if we talk about the content, almost contents are same technically. They also have the same languages as we have like C, C++, Java, Python. But there are some, in BCA, there are some technical or we can say electronic part is there. While in BBACA, we have some commerce background like accounting, business communication, principles of management. Such subjects are there in this course in BBACA.
Ma'am, can you please tell me the course content in BBSE in Garware?
Yes. Course contents is designed in the Garware College of Commerce for all these students who has taken the admission in BBACA because they are coming from the different background. So maybe the student has the is good in that coding. So we are having so many languages in our course like Python, Java, .NET, and all the other languages which are very boom in the market today. And we are also having the networking, operating system, database management subjects so that students can identify their interest and can continue their career in such a language or in such a line in which they have the interest.
Ma'am, now can you please tell me what are the projects and trainings student can do during this course?
Yes, actually this is our core area. From the semester 4, student has to complete or create one software project. This is compulsory for all these students for 100 marks. This is actually the experience for students because after BBACA they will go in the IT industry. So in the IT industry they will develop one software. So from the semester 4 it is compulsory for them to create one software. So we start from the designing the websites. After that students can design in the next semester student can design the application, Android applications and backend projects and other projects, and they can do the live training also. Means they can visit to any shop, any industry and can identify their requirement for software and they can design the software here in the college and can submit here. Now we as a faculty evaluate it, we guide them ki what else they can do. And only the single student never do this project. We have the groups. So 2 or 3 students come together and do the project so that the one student can do the designing, one student can do the coding and other student can identify the requirement of the client. So in this way they will have the experience how to create the software, and actually this is the experience which they goes and use in their real life.
Ma'am, now can you please tell me what are the higher education opportunities after BBCA?
Yes, after BBA students can go for the higher education. They can go for the MCA, that is Masters in Computer Application. This is 2 years course. And students can go for the MBA also, that is Masters in Business Administration, and some other courses related to IT. They can do the diploma also if they want to do some particular training for the networking, some or database. They can do such type of courses also. Means in short, we can say they can do any PG degree after BBA. This is, there is no restriction कि they cannot do the MCA management, MCA science. Everything they can do after BBA.
Ma'am, now can you please tell me what are the placement opportunities after BBA?
Yes, there is a huge path for the students, for especially for the BBA, because IT is very vibrant nowadays. In the IT companies, in the government sectors, there are so many vacancies for the BBA students. If we will talk about the government companies, in banking, in railways, and in other in government sectors where we are having so many vacancies, and students can go there, especially bachelors, BBA students, not PG is mandatory there. And if we will talk about the IT companies, students can go in so many IT companies in Pune also, like Wipro, TCS, Tech Mahindra. Our so many alumni are working there, and they are working after BBA. They have not done MCA, but after some time they are doing the MCA also as per their requirement. And a student, our placement cell in Garware College of Commerce is also providing so many placements to the students according to their choice, according to their specialization. If the students are eligible or the having the skills, they can also go for our placement cell and can get the opportunity from there.
And my last question to you is that why Garware College is the best option for BBA?
Actually, why not? Actually, I should say Garware is very old college. If you are from Pune, you should know this is 160 years old college, and we are running this course from last 14 years. And this, the old name of this course was BCA, but due to some rules of the government, we have changed the name. Means not we have, government has changed the name of this course is BBA. So we are the old, and we are providing the best platform to the students, and every year we have the full admissions. Our infrastructure is very good and quality teaching is there. If you will see, we have 3 computer labs. Each computer lab is having 40 PC with fully internet facility is there. Students can come and do the programming and their projects, practicals there. And sometimes student ask me, madam, is the laptop is compulsory for my child if he or she is taking the admission in BBA? So I will say it is not compulsory in the first year. Students can come to the college, can do the practicals during their timetable, and after that, means after their lectures, they can also sit in the computer lab and can do the practice. But yes, of course, from the second year when they start the projects, they can it is mandatory for them to have the laptops at their home. And the if we will talk about the Garware is not providing only the teaching, some other skills are also there. Student can participate in E-Cell, NSS, NCC, and other courses. Other cells are also there. We are providing some add-on courses also. The best part of the Garware is we never focus only in teaching, classroom teaching. We more focus on the practical works. So as the part of the curriculum, they are doing the practicals, but we give them extra time, extra focus on their practical works and projects.
On behalf of MES Garware College of Commerce, I thank you, ma'am, for your valuable time. I'm sure the viewers will get the best guidelines from your input.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
So guys, thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubt, please let us know in the comment section. And we will be right back with another video soon. Thank you so much.